Now we're going to put a little decoration on this cake, so it will be not just tasty but look nice. Today I'm going to use some chocolate that I grated and put it on top, just a little bit. And on the bottom, as you can see, I put the chocolate like a little pool around, and I'm gonna sprinkle some nuts like this all around. The frosting got hardened already, and if you want something to stick to it, you should do it very quick right after putting the frosting. You can use sprinkles, white sprinkles or colored sprinkles, but you should do it pretty fast because you can see I'm touching it and it's hard already. Now another way of making it pretty, you can take some flowers and put it on the side. Like this. You can put one more rose in the middle. And you can maybe sprinkle a little bit, although it's hardened already, but it gives a little bit of a look to it. And here we go.